warm welcome to all my subscribers and students or people who are watching this video. So I'm starting a new series on tech stack, that means based on technology, and we focused on web development. As a part of web development, uh, we started a new series, that is UI modules, that means user interface modules. So in this first part we will see about the overview of HTML. So as a pre-context, in the previous series, how I just pre-contextually defined, like we are just repeating or revising everything which is present in the HTML part, and it will be a good mind map for you. So in this video we will see about HTML. HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. So we will have some angle brackets. In this angle brackets we will write our content in this markups. Yes sir, just like we will embed the text in this markups, in this tags. This language will be useful to develop a good website, a basic web, from basic website to highly colorful websites as well. So this HTML was developed in the year 1993, and it was the person Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. So he was the person who got this, and at first we will see about the structure of HTML. HTML structure, how it will be. It will start and close with HTML tag. Then it will be going into the head position. In this head position we will write the styles, we will write the title and meta tag, and also we can include the JavaScript as well in this head part. Then we go to the body part. In this body part we will write the main content, that means whatever we need to import or we need to give in the page, we will write everything in this body section. Then we have tags. So in this body we will write the tags, so just stick to that. And then we will see about various types of tags. And we have heading tags, that is from H1 to H6. Then we have paragraph tags, and then we have presentational tags. Presentational tags means after writing the paragraph we can simply make use of this presentational tags to make our font stylish, or we can say we can increase our font, it is font richness. So it is simply like to improve the font styles, we can use this presentational tags. So after that we have tag attributes. Tag attributes are nothing but we in this just take for any tag there will be one attribute, that is style, and we have some attributes like font align, font size. We can also have for some tags like image tags, we can also have width, height, everything. And we will see tag attributes deeply when it comes to CSS, because where we have different types of styles which will be embedded into these tags with help of tag attributes. And Then we have types of attributes. In these types of attributes, we have global attributes. Then we have optional. Then we have specific, and we have event. As I already said that attributes, when it comes to CSS and JS, we will have more attributes, event attributes, which will be helpful in JS. Global attributes, it is nothing but we include some CSS IDs, CSS classes, and we have optional. Optional means it will come in the meta tag or in the HTML tag, which won't be helpful, but when it comes to in corporate wise or corporate template, when it comes to higher documentations, we may use these optional tags. And we have specific. Specific is nothing but we can include the CSS style sheets and the anchor tags as well in the specific. So mainly with these last two attributes, we can say like the CSS and JS, the events and styles, they have another parts. We can say we have separate tags and separate attributes for the CSS and JS. After that, so we will write another line. After this types of attributes, we have image tag. Image tag to include all the images, and we have attributes like height, width, title, alt, and then we have anchor tag. In this anchor tag, we will write the href, that is also a type of attribute. So I will just write in this specific, we can write href, and we have also rel, which will be useful to include the style sheets. In this event, we have JavaScript. We can include this in JS. When it comes to global, we can have IDs of CSS. In this optional, we have some tags like lang, which will be useful in HTML. So anchor tag, which will be useful to include the links of another HTML or the any online websites in our home page or HTML page. Then after this, after anchor tags, we have the list tags. List tags is useful to add some elements, or while creating the e-commerce applications, we mainly use this list tags. And in this list, we have ordered list and unordered list. Then we have topic like nested list. Nested list is nothing but a list in another list. Then we have a combo tag, that is field set and a legend tags. When we want to group any content whole in one place, we will use this field set and legend tags. Then field set and legend mostly useful in to group the related elements or related topics in one place. And then we have div tag. Div tag is nothing but it will divide the portions in the HTML page for us. As the name also contains a div, it will divide the pages. It will divide the page into 3 to 4 parts based on the styles, based on our requirement. We can use it. We can say it as a container, div as a container. Then we can use some as in the structure of the HTML I have said, like we can use styles in the head tag. uh, then we have tables. Yes, we have tables will be useful to store the information in the table or form. Like how in the database we store the information, we can store here also. After these tables we have the main, that is form is the most important topics in the HTML, because by using form only we will deploy our applications, and sometimes we use the forms as our welcoming, you can say, without sign up pages we don't have any websites almost. By using this form only we create all of them. And after that we have some topics like iframes. Iframes is nothing but inline frames which will be included in the HTML, but compared to iframes, divs are very useful, because iframes will be like it will have some lines. That means when we divide any uh, portions in the HTML page, it will contain some lines, so it's not good. We can use alternatively div for it. Then we have mark tag, input tag, output tag, and we also have the base tag. These are all uh, some tags in HTML. I am not going deep into it. And after that the main HTML5 semantic tags, you can say. So I will write in this braces, or we can take it as, after HTML5 introduced, we have some semantic tags. By using this only, nowadays every website has been created, because with these elements we can define the entire HTML home page or any structure. At first we have main, or we can say header, then we have main, then we have navbar, then we have article, then we have aside, we have section, and finally footer. With these HTML5 semantic elements, we can make use of the entire HTML page. Mostly with these HTML5 tags, a basic example is nothing but a blog post, and then we have other tags, details and summary tags. Yes, they are combined. And then we have audio and source tags. Then we have same, just like audio, we have audio and source tags. And then we have finally meta tag is nothing but data about data, which will be included in the head part. So this is about HTML. This is, here we comes to the end of part 1 of UI modules. We will see about cascading style sheets in the part 2. Thank you, viewers.